chapter chungni di adverbs ra ta anzo thep thamu na ta na adverbs le ting anzo distortions kharsa tikhat chido khonso action was tree na chi chawa chishin batandela ala konda action was chawa chishin badla verbs le ra adverbs le peche doy moranso adverbs la de karre chazi la dishi kenye chater disara verb la dishi kenye la adverbs minsi la dishi kenye la adjective ra di parala kuni parala seo niacha minsi la dishi kenye la adjective chazi la dishi kenye di adverbs disara tangan wal to la set to la read how Divya did each action ana chawara Divya yi chawa rere di khandis chi me lo shoas khandis chi me kola lo shoas how did Divya talk Divya yi khandis ki shi to lana she talked softly mora ke shi di sobso lore jambu chi ni shi tos ra how did Divya walk Divya yi khandis khomba ke tos she walked slowly mo khali khomba ke tos how did Divya paint and Divya khandis dichisons kasa remote song ladu she painted carefully subservient songs how did Divya write khandis tisons she wrote neatly mona chamach tisons how did Divya sing Divya khandis ani chetangitos she sang loudly motandi shedandi kichumbushin tansons ladu zambala Dishi get the softly, slowly, carefully, neatly, loudly led chawad la dishi da khandis chidu ra chawa khandis chidu chawa khari keji shedi jambuchni ke shidu komba ke chawadi khalish ni ke du remote ye chawadi ani subscription chidu ani yeti di zamachin chidu lajra ni shedan ya chawadi ani ke chumbujane tangatu ledi chawala dishi ke do hondela kalore adverbs ra ta ma chala khardu ly li da thona che wena hojra chachi thanda ti bukasa minsi la dishi ke adjective di soft chatere softly lana chawala dishi ke ro gitu tadi peche jela khali sertu ra December mani minute is nenga di khare ly yes amna tisar softly slowly carefully neatly and loudly tell us how actions are done ra the softly da slowly da carefully da neatly da loudly da so ye nganjola khar like it lana chawad jo khandis chi mi kola like this these words tell us more about action words dinjo gi khari kol le lana nganjola chawagi tsichara chatsi di kola ma ke chi des ra chatsi di kola ser to dilla chi des we add ly to describing words to get these words ra anjo describing words la di khacha dere ko ginzi chatya minzi la tishigi dilla ly na baina anjo gi chawa tsikta da chawar la tishigi gi tsidin zo ragres disa so words ending with ly are called adverbs ta chazi manchara re ta manchara landi sarwa ly jara dine joshe ki ta chigini tamadla ly gyoti karla na anjagi adverb re das adverb lana chawala tishiki nitra diseo chachi dine anjagi exercise thambodi circle the correct adverbs to complete these sentences ta chazi ra chawaji la dishike la chawa dishi gi tsigdi remba stam shoas adverb chira chirub de koala how did the lion roar singi khandis ke gyaso ra roar lana singi ke kyade the lion roared loudly ra singi gi anke gyadi ke chumbu ngan gyaso so loudly that how did the puppy drink the milk ni puppy da kitub di chuk cha khazadi oma khandis tomsons the puppy drank the chasi chaterta ra puppy drank the milk katire sadly tongre quickly lemba ra Somebody kyo do lembu shire mi aje. Kyo ko le lemba quickly. Oma tongya di kasa kyo tong. How did the tortoise crawl? Tortoise lana rube rotra. Rube khandis crawl lana kona dhura hanso. Kamba pemo dang la ko ye. La ko tsu chi doing ye juda dila crawl le ra. The tortoise crawled loudly re slowly re. Kagi lemba ra. How did Rina pushed the pram? Rina ye ani pram khandis pugya tang songs ra. Pram la di piche di pu di mi na. Pu in samata gonda. Di in ser pu shasat la kus. Ra. So Rina pushed the pram brightly imbe gently imbe. Brightly lana seu lana go seu la anzo be nima dunzo ka khaptu time da di khala kope bright ra. On the la brightly che. Gently lana jambu chine. Ra subsearch ra. Kagi lemba tu da meta. Then you would look at the adjectives in color and complete these sentences with the correct adverbs. That ginsi lata che chundra na yube. Ginsi lata che and siru zo conscious. Kari kongore ani gi kasata chatsi dishike ra adverb rimbati dibati conscious. Jonah is happy. Ra sorry. John Dadinga lodan yakushimasta. Joanna in the house. Joanna is happy. Joanna curious. She is smiling happily. Dadi happy dikhona gyusu happily nana gyusu. Ra gensi minsi dishi gengi di kara gensi pasadi chatsi dishi gengi nana gyurela elwal nengura. So y the past che ly so she is smiling mogimu shedi kimu kiungan shokedos. The boy is loud. Pu di ke chabudos. Dine ke chabudu le de gensi chadrach minsi le dishiyasa. Dine he shouts. Ko ke gedi kargare loudly kyasumus. Ra ke ge chatsi chasa. Ke gedi ki chimbo jin kyasumu de. Chatsi gensi chadra. Dine mother was angry. Amla nun sashas. She spoke to us katere angrily. Angrily la ANGIRRLY angrily. Jim is a wonderful piano player. Jim lady piano tangkengi yagushredas. He plays the piano wonderfully. Double L chera double L usams ani double L use this show. Wonderfully. Al double L to lana L near tara ani why. The kitten was hungry. Shimtu this throat of the shas. It drank the milk. Kachire to shu to ngani sasu tumsun lejra hungrily rather the angrily da hungrily the dodan chiba chatter. Jasmine was sad. Jasmine simba kyoshas. She looked at us sadly. Mora simba kyo de shang anzal tadang de simba kyo do chine tasunus taya de chatsit la dishi kyasa. Munira likes to be neat. Munira ani changma chede bayres. She folds the sheets neatly. Folds lana chadi chade ra ans tabsi kega folds lana the sheets lana banganzo chadar lega chadanzo tabsi kede pe changma chine kyasumus. The children were careful. Pud pe sabsa chisumus. They crossed the road carefully. Nasambala double L. L ni che y. This seu chasa ginsi dishi ginsi di chazila dishi ge gyudu zambala chazi ngebaj koyeche chazi chela an manche katudu ly ner